Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about informal versus formal English. Informal versus formal. Anyway, nevertheless, I think, in my opinion, alright, acceptable, put up, tolerate, set up, establish, put off, postpone, seem, appear, want, desire, say no, reject, sight, vision, worse, inferior, informal, formal. I think, in my opinion, to sum up, in conclusion, in the end, finally, but, however, point out, indicate, stand for, represent, seem, appear, ask, enquire, buy, purchase, climb, ascend, check, verify, get, receive or obtain, go, leave, departure, help, assist, keep, retain, live, recite, see, observe, show, demonstrate, stop, cease, start, commence, tell, inform, try, endeavor, use, utilize or consume, want, desire or wish for. Any update. Thank you so much for watching.